Welcome. Listen to the audio. Read the text. Repeat the sentences out loud. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Relax and enjoy.
The Sunday chair. Clara always visited her father on Sundays. She brought muffins, made tea, and they sat on the balcony together. Same time, same place, every week. They didn't always talk much. Sometimes they sat in silence, just watching the trees move. But it was their moment. Her dad had a quiet smile and warm eyes. He wasn't loud, but he always noticed things others didn't. Like when she had cried the night before, or when she needed to hear, "You're doing your best." One Sunday, he wasn't feeling well. He said, "I'm just tired today." Clara stayed longer than usual. That night, he passed away in his sleep. No goodbye, no warning, just silence. The next Sunday, Clara still came. She brought muffins, she made tea, and she sat on the balcony next to the empty chair. Grief didn't look like she expected. It was heavy on Mondays. It whispered at night. It made her cry in line at the supermarket because a man wore the same sweater as her dad. People said he had a good life. At least it was peaceful. Time heals. She nodded, but she didn't feel healed. Weeks passed. One morning, Clara went to the mailbox. There was a small envelope. No name, just to Clara. Inside was a short note. "The Sunday chair misses you. So do I." She froze. Her heart raced. The next week, another letter. Then, another. Each note remembered something small and beautiful about her father. He used to hum when he read the paper. He always gave his plants names. He believed the world was still good. One day, Clara stayed on the balcony longer. She heard a soft knock from below. A woman stood in the garden, maybe 70 years old. She looked up and said, "I hope you don't mind the notes." It was Mrs. Rivera, her dad's neighbor. She said, "I saw you every Sunday. I saw how much he loved those moments with you, and after he left, I wanted you to remember." Clara invited her up for tea. They sat on the balcony. They laughed, cried, remembered. Mrs. Rivera said, "You brought him so much joy. He always said, 'My daughter is my quiet miracle.'" Clara held her cup tightly. For the first time in weeks, she felt the warmth of something like peace. Clara still visits the balcony every Sunday. She brings muffins, she makes tea. Sometimes she sits alone. Sometimes she sits with Mrs. Rivera. But always, she brings a second cup. Not for the person who's gone, but for the love that remains.
What part of the story did you like the most? Write it in the comments and practice your English with me. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more stories that make learning English easy and fun. Remember, the more you listen, the more you understand. The more you speak, the more confident you feel. Thank you for watching.